Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to withdraw money from Kucoin to card or a bank account. It's not something difficult. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to withdraw money from Kucoin to a card or a bank account. And don't worry, because it's not something difficult, only some few steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to do it. Okay, so these are the steps. So there are 6 steps that you need to follow in order to do it. So the first thing that you need to do, which is you need to log into your Kucoin account and click on the assets tab. Second, select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the drop down menu. Third, click on the withdraw button next to the chosen cryptocurrency and enter the amount you want to withdraw and select bank transfer as the withdrawal method. Then fill in your bank account details, including the account number and bank name. And the last step, which is you need to review the withdrawal details. So you need to review it to confirm that everything is correct and all the info are correct, and then click on confirm. Okay, and like this, or after clicking on confirm, you just did it. And like this, the process of withdrawing the money is gonna start. So these are the steps. It's not something difficult. As I told you, just some simple steps that you need to follow, which is 6 steps, and you're gonna be able to withdraw money from Kucoin or to a card or a bank account. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.